DJI has posted the teaser for the most anticipated mini drone of the year, as they call it Pro in Mini, and it is set to launch on the 17th of September. And oh boy, the drone does look promising, the larger 1-inch camera sensor being the center of focus. After months of speculations, leaked images, boxes, and whatnot, we have now stumbled upon a full unboxing video of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, allowing the fans to have a real-world glance at the drone. Not just that, many European web shops have already listed the Mini 5 Pro with a full description and pricing. In today's video, we will share every key detail about the upcoming Mini 5 Pro, the upgrades you are definitely going to love. So there's a lot to get excited about the Mini 5 Pro, but first, let's clear the price for each combo. Though the prices were found from an EU webshop, you can guess how much the Mini 5 Pro will be priced at the US market. So, the standard Mini 5 Pro will cost you around 819 euros, which is slightly higher than its predecessor. But trust me, for the upgrades you are getting, it's a pretty minimal hike. For the Fly More combo, you have to spend around 1,029 euros and 1,159 euros, respectively, depending on whether you want the RCN3 controller or the RC2 Pro. Now, as we mentioned earlier, someone posted a full unboxing video on YouTube, and also instantly compared it with the Mini 4 Pro, keeping them side by side. This is the closest hand-on video we have seen so far, and it shows the drone being a bit larger than its predecessor. If we talk about the design, DJI has put a lot of effort into making sure the drone stays under 250 grams. Even with a larger camera gimbal for housing the larger sensor, LiDAR, and many more upgrades, the C0 sticker at the bottom confirmed that the drone doesn't require any FAA approval to fly in the US. As for the camera, the Mini 5 Pro will feature a 50-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, which can shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second. It will have an f1.8 aperture for better low-light performance. The drone will support 4K HDR videos up to 14 dynamic stops in auto, and 10-bit recording for advanced post-production. The camera gimbal can now rotate up to 225 degrees, allowing it to shoot true vertical videos, ready for social media content. The flight time is also revealed via a leaked official description. So, the previously rumored 52-minute flight time is real with the Plus battery. And with the regular battery, you will be able to fly the drone for up to 36 minutes. Besides, more promotional images of the Mini 5 Pro have surfaced online, courtesy of Roland Quant. The images show the Mini 5 Pro binding process via Bluetooth, similar to previous DJI drones, and a woman flying the drone with the RCN3 controller. Apart from these, the drone will support many smart functionalities such as master shots, quick shots, free panorama, and improved 360-degree active tracking. The off-state quick transfer will allow you to transfer files at a speed of up to 100 megabytes per second via Wi-Fi 6. So, if you are looking to buy the new Mini 5 Pro, mark the date, 17th of September. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, the Mini 5 Pro can be your perfect companion, providing great value at such a compact size. Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.